One common mistake that many designers make, especially when starting out, is using too many fonts in their design. It's easy to get carried away when you have access to hundreds of beautiful fonts. But just because you can use multiple fonts does not mean you should. I have made this mistake myself. There was a time when I thought my design looks more interesting if I use at least three different fonts. But over time, I realized that wasn't the best approach. Using too many fonts can make your design feel messy and unstructured. When there are multiple fonts competing for attention, the viewer does not know where to focus. This can make a website feel inconsistent and unprofessional. Look at this website, where the heading is in one font, the body is in another, and the button use a completely different style of font. Now compare that to a design where a single font family is used throughout the entire page. The heading, body text, and buttons all feel connected. The design looks clean, polished, and easy to read. That's the power of consistency. Choosing the right font is already a big decision. And if you plan to use multiple fonts, knowing how to combine them effectively is an entirely different skill set, which takes years to master. If you are new to design, my best advice is to keep things simple. Stick to just one font. Now, you might be wondering which one font should you use? That's an important decision to make as well, and I'll guide you through how to pick the perfect font for your web design project in the next chapter of this video.